Hello guys, it's hello Portable here, and I'm here with
Captain Sprinkles, and welcome back to episode number 2 of
Skyblock. Clearly, Tony said don't come on to the house yet, so I'm clearly interested. What has he done? So I'm gonna go on, be like, yeah, do you know what?
Hello, Javier. Welcome to our new base.
What the? What have you done? What? Clearly, what have you done? What?
I decided to throw everything off.
What?
But if you would like to follow me downstairs, Javier.
Oh gosh. What have you done?
Welcome to our crown.
Okay, so we have pigs.
Yeah.
Lots of them.
Carrots. Sugarcane, cactus.
I can see a lot. Let me see the chest. Alright,
Yeah.
you have done a good job.
Thank you, Javier.
Well, what? Why this chest here?
Oh, basically, Javier, if I was like down here and you wanted like to get something,
Yeah.
I'd put stuff in the far chest. Look,
Yeah.
so you pretend you would ask me for like three sticks. I'd put it in that
Alright.
chest, and then you'd go over to the left chest.
So like working out top and bottom.
Yeah, and then you see this dropper.
Yeah, I already dropped some things.
Yeah, if I need anything from top, you drop it in. I come down here, and I get it from the chest.
Very, very, very nice. Sorry, these little kids just playing outside. If you can hear them, sorry, but
so what are we gonna do, Javier?
I don't know. You tell me, cause you have we have changed like I don't know. You have changed everything. Like
Welcome.
I don't know how to express it.
I also have like a stack and 25 logs.
Nice.
Yeah. So I was thinking of building out this. Oh, Javier, we have a mob spawner.
Oh gosh, let me see.
Oh God, no! Fuck.
You died, didn't you? What the? What? No. Tori, why did you build an Enderman?
Huh?
Why?
Well, where's the Enderman?
I just killed it.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
Oh.
Why?
Because I didn't. It just spawned.
Oh gosh, what?
We built a mob spawner. I built a massive island.
Full of mobs.
Yeah, so we can get like skeletons and stuff.
Now, excuse me, I need something to eat.
Do/tools. Kit tools.
/tools.
/kit tools. And then you'll get 6 thingy.
Hold on. Your frings.
It looks cool. I like it. I like my base.
Tools. What? Ooh. Alright, this makes my life so much easy.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
Do you want to breed the pigs?
No, I'm fine at the moment.
Fine, I'll go make them have sex.
Like, how many samplings do we have?
I don't know. We got 37 oak.
That's too many.
You're too many.
Now.
Yo. What do you want to build? Go crazy, have it.
Let's build the sniper, okay? Well, let's...
Do you want to build like a second floor?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, have it. Let's just extend it from here.
Alright, I'll destroy the parts from upstairs. Should I?
If you want. Should we start it a layer down or not?
Hold on. What do you mean?
So like, should we start from the top layer or the bottom layer?
I don't know. Either way.
I'm thinking bottom layer.
Alright, come up.
So we mine all this.
Alright. Go. Please do.
Okay, you mine that, I'll mine this.
Fair enough. Look at the beautiful sunset.
Yeah, we're soon gonna have mobs spawning over there.
Oh gosh.
Which is why I put a fence.
Good. But won't creepers blow it?
We can punch them off.
Alright. So we done that?
Yeah, now we just need to extend our base. Oh, and Javier,
Yes.
if you do /C,
Yeah, slash.
and there should be a challenge to get your island to level 10.
Yeah.
You know how our island was level
Yeah.
2?
I got a sponge.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now I'm the popular one.
Yeah, I'm hoping. Yay.
Yeah.
But how far are we gonna extend this? Just how far? Please tell me.
We have to extend out to the base. Out to finish the base.
So we just need like stacks of cobblestones.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if we have stacks of cobblestones. No, we don't.
Javier, get mining.
Oh my god, why?
Because you're the miner guy. You got a diamond pick.
Just because I have a diamond pick doesn't mean I am not the miner.
You are the miner.
No.
Oh no, I was practicing CS:GO, right?
Yeah.
I've got like, I'm so good with the Tech 9 now.
Tech 9, okay.
We may do a CS:GO video.
We might, okay?
Yeah, definitely.
We might. Oh yeah,
Okay.
Toddy, you haven't uploaded a video yet.
Yeah, because you don't have recording equipment like I told you ages ago. Well,
It's like 2 days ago. Haven't got recording equipment. I haven't got recording equipment. Just
Yeah, I haven't.
and then this is just me. I have recording equipment.
Shut up, man. What to do? Okay, I'm just gonna go extend our base by 3.
By 3. You
By
do that.
3.
You do that. Okay.
It needs to be a lot bigger, this island.
Really?
Yep.
Hold on. Let me see how much do I have.
Oh god, I nearly fell in.
How come I only got $50?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know why you have only $3.
This is just great, very very great. Say me if you want to be in a skin contest. No. Just no.
Just no, bruh. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta be such a dick, man?
Tori,
Yo.
I know it sounds very very nice and very very good, but what will happen if the cobblestone generator has stopped?
Stopped.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So say like instead of coming out with cobblestone. It comes out with obsidian. What will happen?
Remake it.
But like, if
Is
if
it a foolproof cobblestone gen?
okay.
And also, have I replaced all the dirt and stuff that we don't need
Yeah.
with cobble?
All right. Seems fair enough.
So we've got like 50 something coal.
57
coal.
what?
Ah, yeah, our island level is 11.
Yeah.
Wow, looks pretty awesome.
Put in the comments what's your iron level
If they even play on the server.
if you play in the server.
That's what you should do, put the IP of the server.
I will put the IP in the server, and it's 1.8.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 1.8. I put it on the description down below, so if you want to play it, then yeah. So, oh, and also I will put down do you know my banner, my YouTube banner, and my profile pic, and Tony's. His name is Porky Chops, and I'll put his link in the description down below.
Cool.
Now that will get him.
Hey Javier, I may have just won a auction. Javier,
Yeah. Steak.
got a stack of steak.
I know. I saw.
Javier, take 32 steak.
Give me.
I did.
Oh, okay.
Our food problems are fixed.
It's like no, we're not hungry anymore. All right, I got one stack of. Take. Did you take it?
Yeah.
That was good. That's good.
Javier,
Yes.
can you pay me like 2p?
Slush.
Quick.
What? Just hold on. There.
Shit.
What? I don't want to say me. A Charmin table.
Yeah, I wanted to bid for it, but you know.
Why do we need a Charmin table?
Because that'd be awesome.
64 spider eyes. No.
Oh, fuck. Oh, there.
Please do not.
Oh, yeah, I need to extend the space out.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. As you can see,
Has it already been 15 minutes?
yes, nearly 15. So,
Jeez, we did not do much.
I know. So anyway, guys, please like, share, and favorite, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And if you haven't checked out Sprinkle's channel, it was on the last episode. Go check that out as well. And yeah.
One cobble have it.
Oh my god, why? Take.
Oh, thanks.
Alright.
Oh, for fuck's sake, it removed it. And on that bombshell.
Alright, Mafia's out.
Peace.